All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. I want to talk to you about AI and how you should be using AI as a software developer. There's so many different AI platforms out there. Of course, you have ChatGPT, Gemini, you have Copilot. So many different ways that you can utilize AI in your personal projects and also professionally. Definitely want to encourage you to check with your company, get their stance on AI. Unfortunately, some companies are not as receptive to using AI as I think they should be. But I believe that's going to all change the more and more we begin to use AI in our society. But I just want to talk to you about a couple of things I think that will be very beneficial for you in your career as we talk about using AI. I'm just going to focus on ChatGPT because that is the main one that I use right now, specifically like with my personal projects and things of that nature. I personally believe that ChatGPT is better than Google. And the reason why I like ChatGPT is because let's just say for some reason, let's say I forgot how to create an array inside of C# or JavaScript. I can go to ChatGPT and ask it, how do you create an array in whatever language that you are working with? And it will come back and it will give you a really good example. In addition to that, what I really like about ChatGPT is that once it has given me an example or show me how to go ahead and to create an array, I can ask it detailed questions of what's taking place, what's going on in the code. And it's so intuitive that it's able to give you a really good explanation. So in my book, it's like having your own personal tutor. In addition to that, let's say you have some code that you're working on. You're working on some code that, we all do it. We search on the internet and we find some code. We say, that might work, but you're not really sure. You can copy that snippet of code into ChatGPT and ask it to explain to you what's going on. Because if you're going to copy and paste some code, you need to know how it works. So in my opinion, ChatGPT is a great way to learn how to become a software developer. If are you aspiring to become a software developer, or even if you're a seasoned developer and there's some different things, everybody doesn't know everything. That's just the way it is. As a software developer, you have things that you specialize in. You have things that you are the go-to person on your job or in your organization, but there's always going to be something that you do not know. With ChatGPT, it's a game changer, especially if you are tasked with learning a new language. Like on my job, I'm going to have to learn a new programming language on this year, and so I can use ChatGPT as I'm studying, learning the language to explain different things that I do not know, help give me some examples of things of that nature. So it's a great way to learn. So if you are not using AI, whether it's ChatGPT or Copilot or one of the other very prominent AI platforms out there, I believe you're doing yourself a disservice. Now, one of the different things that a lot of people say is that, or I was talking to another developer not too long ago, and they said, well, I was a little nervous, scared about AI because I thought it might one day replace me as a developer. Could that happen? Guess what? That could very well in the future happen, replace a lot of programmers. But from my perspective, from what I'm seeing, I believe that we are far from those days, or I should say like this, I don't think we're anywhere close to AI replacing software developers and engineers anytime soon. I believe that it's a great tool. We need to use it as such. And I definitely believe it's something that can greatly enhance you in your career. It can help you to solve problems quickly, because we all know that's what we've been hired to do. We're not hired to write code. We're hired to solve problems. And utilizing utilizing AI is a great way to help you to be more efficient and to solve problems quickly. So let me know in the comments, what are some of the AI tools that you use? How do you use AI? And what AI tools would you recommend that, let's say, a seasoned developer start using? And also, what AI tools would you recommend for someone who's more of a junior developer? Looking forward to reading your comments. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Blessings.